Hey, so I'm going to read Jack's Birdhouse. I want you to listen to the story and answer the questions when we're done. Some important words that you need to learn to recognize is birdhouse, pencil, ruler, fourth, second, nails, wood, and third. So Jack's Birdhouse. Jack wants to build a birdhouse. He gets some wood, he gets some nails and paint. His mom helps too. She gets a saw and a hammer. She gets a pencil and ruler. Jack draws his birdhouse. They build it together. Then they hang it up in a tree. A bird goes into the birdhouse. A second bird goes in. A third bird goes in. A fourth bird goes in. Jack and his mom look at each other. They need a bigger birdhouse. So answer each question to complete the sentences. What does Jack want to build? He wants to build a... Who helps him? His what helps him? Where does he put the birdhouse when he is done? He hangs it in a